Hi friends, this is Hasni. Today we are going to discuss about Java literals. Java literals, a constant value in a program that is a literal. For example, 10, 20, true or false, etc. These all are literals for various data types. I will show you one example. Int x equal to 10. Int, it is a data type or keyword. X, it is a variable name or identifier. 10, it is a constant value or literal. Types of literals. There are 5 types of literals are there. Integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, string literals, boolean literals. These 5 types literals, integer literals, these are the examples of integer literals. Here we are using capital L. It means long. Number is long, so we are using capital L or small l. Floating literals 10.12f. Here we are using small f or capital F. D, double, capital D or small d. Character literals. These are the examples. String literals. We can put in double quotes. Boolean literals, true or false. Integer literals again divided into 4 types: byte, short, int, long. In literals, we can provide sometimes 0, 0x, capital L, small l. These symbols in suffix or prefix. 0 is octa, OX in hexadecimal, small l or capital L is for long values and OB is for binary values. I will show you an example. Byte binary equal to 0b, so it is the value. Here we are putting variable name. Compile the program. Javac sample program dot java. Run the program. Java sample program. Its value is 31. Here OB 11111 powers 2 into 2 power 4 into 1 plus 2 power 3 into 1, 2 power 2 into 1, 2 power 1 into 1, 2 power 0 into 1, like this. 2 power 4 16, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 0 1. So total is 31. Next, sort. I will show you an example. Sort, compile the program and run the program. Its value is 32. Art means 8. 8 power 1 into 4. Here we are giving the value 4 plus 8 power 0 into 0. Its value is 32. Next one, hexadecimal values. Int hexadec equal to OX1A. It's a value. Compile the program and run the program. Its value is 26. Hexadecimal value is considered as a 0 to 9 numbers and the remaining 6 are alphabets. So, alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F. This alphabet is considered as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 0 to 15 total count is 16. So its value is 16 power 1 into 1 plus 16 power 0 into 10. Its value is 26. Next one is long. Long input equal to, give some number, compile the program and run the program. Here we are giving 64564. The output is 64564. I will try another. Give long number. Save the program and compile again. It displays a compilation error. Input. Here it displays compilation error. Integer number to large. So here we can put capital L or small l. Again compile the program. So here there is no compilation error. Long type, it will accept the value between the range integer numbers. If a given number is not in between the integer number, it will give compilation error like this. We should provide the capital L or small l. Here suffix of the number. Here we are putting capital L or small l of that number, then the error will be gone. Here there is no compilation error. Next, floating point literals. These numbers should add 34.56, 3.1435, 20 plus E4, 2.65 E plus 34, etc. like this. Capital E or small e. here capital E or small e. Exponential values we can use either capital E or small e. For floats we can mention capital F or small f. In the suffix, see the example. Compile the program. Here in incompatible types, it displays a compilation error. So float value equal to 3.14. Here in suffix we are using capital F or small f. Again compile the program. Here there is no compilation error. 3.14 is the output. So for floats we can mention capital F or small f. In the suffix we should mention capital F or small f, otherwise it will cause a compilation error like this. Why? Because every decimal value Java considered as a double value. For double, we can mention capital D or small d in the suffixes, but this is not mandatory because every decimal value is double. Character literals. In primitive data type, we can call char. This data type will store the single digit in between single quotes like alphabets, symbols, and numbers also. See that example. So char input equal to A. Here it is the output, capital A. For this character, ASCII value is 65. See another example. Char A equal to, it is a Unicode. Here we are putting capital A. Compile the program and run the program. A is the output. This is A in Unicodes. This is A in Unicodes. Like this, every language we have separate Unicodes. Next, Unicodes supports all universal languages. Some language characters will store in 1 byte. Some of the characters need 2 bytes. So, because of that, they added the 2 bytes in characters. Next, string literals. These are sequences of characters. If we include any value in between the double quotations, that is the string literal. For example, Compile the program. Here it displays a compilation error, unclosed character literals. String always use double quotes. Here we are using single quotations. Now compile the program. It displays the output. Here there is no compilation. If we pass a number between quotations, that also be a string literal. For another example, hello world. Hello world, it is the output. Next one is Boolean literals. In Java, we'll use Boolean, not bool. Here it allows only true or false. It doesn't allow numbers. See the example. Boolean value equal to true. Compile the program. Run the program. So output is true. Here I am changing the alphabet capital T. Now compile the program. It displays a compilation error. It will give compilation error. It should allow all small letters only. Next, one more example. Boolean value 2 equal to 1. It displays a compilation error. It will give compilation error because numbers doesn't accept only true or false. So these are the different types of Java literals. Thank you. Please subscribe RS Tech Views. Like, share and press the bell icon.